Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Inspired We. One of the most fascinating questions that humans have been asking for thousands of years is how old the universe is. And while the answer to this question wasn't clear for a long time, thanks to modern science, we now have a pretty good idea of the universe's age. So, how old is the universe? According to our best estimates, the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. But how do we know that? Well, scientists have used a variety of methods to arrive at this conclusion, including the study of cosmic microwave background radiation and the observations of supernovae. Let's start with cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is essentially the afterglow of the Big Bang, the moment when the universe began. Scientists have studied this radiation and found that it has a certain temperature that is consistent with the idea that the universe is 13.8 billion years old. In other words, the radiation is like a snapshot of the universe at a very early age, and studying it can tell us how old the universe is. Another way scientists have determined the age of the universe is by studying supernovae. Supernovae are massive explosions that occur when certain types of stars reach the end of their lives. By observing these explosions, scientists can measure the distance to the supernova and use that information to estimate the age of the universe. This method has been very useful in confirming the age of the universe derived from cosmic microwave background radiation. It's worth noting that while 13.8 billion years is the current best estimate for the age of the universe, there is some room for error in this number. For example, there may be new discoveries or new data that could change this estimate in the future. However, for now, 13.8 billion years is the number that scientists agree on. So, why is it important to know the age of the universe? Well, understanding the age of the universe is critical for understanding how the universe evolved over time. By studying the universe's age, scientists can better understand how the different structures in the universe, such as galaxies and stars, formed and evolved. Additionally, knowing the age of the universe can help us better understand the fundamental nature of the universe itself, including its size and composition. One thing that's interesting to note is that the age of the universe is closely tied to the idea of the Big Bang. The Big Bang is the moment when the universe began, and scientists believe that the universe has been expanding ever since. By studying the rate of this expansion, scientists can estimate the age of the universe. In fact, the idea of the Big Bang is what gave rise to the study of cosmology, the study of the universe as a whole. Cosmology is a relatively new field of science, and it has advanced rapidly over the past few decades. Today, scientists have a much better understanding of the universe than they did even a few decades ago, and this understanding is continuing to evolve as new discoveries are made. One of the things that scientists are trying to understand is the nature of dark matter and dark energy. These are two mysterious substances that scientists believe make up the vast majority of the universe. Dark matter and dark energy do not emit light or interact with regular matter in the way that we are familiar with, so they are very difficult to detect. However, scientists are continuing to study these substances in the hopes of better understanding their nature and how they affect the universe's evolution. Another interesting aspect of the age of the universe is that it can tell us a lot about the future of the universe. Based on our current understanding of the universe's age and the rate of its expansion, scientists believe that the universe will continue to expand indefinitely. This means that the universe will become colder and darker over time as the galaxies move further apart from each other. However, the exact fate of the universe is still a topic of debate among scientists, and it's possible that new discoveries could change our understanding of the universe's future. In conclusion, the age of our universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. Scientists have used a variety of methods to arrive at this conclusion, including the study of cosmic microwave background radiation and the observations of supernovae. While this number may be subject to change in the future, it is the current best estimate that scientists agree on. Understanding the age of the universe is essential for understanding its evolution and fundamental nature. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.